Hi everyone, I hope everyone will be fine. And today we are going to start the first step in the Civil 3D to import the points, how we can import the survey points in the Civil 3D, and also we will see how we can create the point groups from our points. So I think we should start now. First, we have to open Civil 3D. So you have to open this Civil 3D UKIE. I am not going to open this metric or imperial. I have this country kit UKIE. So I am going to open this kit. And it's loading. Let's see. And we will see how to import points that the surveyor has sent us the file. And these are also called as COGO points. COGO points because it have different coordinates, northing, easting, and elevation. So the Civil 3D is opening up. Okay, so now as the Civil 3D is opened, this is the main open window, and to import the points, we first go on the insert, and you can see points from a file. So click on the points on a file, then you have the file name, selected files, so just click on the plus and you import the file, survey points file here. Now they have all this option like how you want to adjust. For example, if you click on NEZ, so this will show northing, easting, and point elevation. So this is also the preview window. So on the PNEZ, you can see point number, northing, easting, and elevation. What we do is go down, go at the end, and click on the PNEZD. Its point number, then northing, easting, then elevation, and then there will be description. You can see in preview this the point number, northing, easting, and point elevation, and then there will be a raw description. So click OK. So now what happened is our points are imported, but we can't see here. So to go towards the points, you can you can type Z, enter, then do extend E, enter. You see, you came to the main window where we have the points. So here are all our points. You can see these are our points. If you don't have the UKIE kit, then your points style will be different. So let's see how point style work and how everything is here. So you can go and click on the point groups prospector, click on the prospector, go to the point groups, click on the all points. You see the points here, also the previewing. Click on these properties. Now you can see the properties is default settings, cross, it's showing cross 2D and 3D. There are different styles, different point style that are pre-made in the Civil 3D. So go for the cross 2D and 3D. Then you have to select the point label style. So as you can see that there is no label with these cross points. You see these cross points doesn't have any label, but you just hover on it, you can see all the details come. Just hover on a point and you see all the information is given on this platform, but you don't have the written here. So click on here, properties, you see label style. Let's go with the point number and description. Click OK. You will now see the point number and description, point number and description. So let's change again, right click, properties, and go on the standard. You Now it has the point number, it has the elevation, and it has the description that this is a centerline point and this is not, and this is also centerline. So we want, as we are going to design our highway alignment, what we want is, we don't want all these points, we only want center line. So how we are going to separate this? We are going on the point groups, right click, click new, Now the new window open. So you can add the description, center line. You can add center line, CL for the road. Okay. So here you can also set your point style. This one is cross 2D and 3D. This one is the level only if you want level only, or if you want also this one standard. So click now. Now you see nothing happen on the screen, but if you see in the prospector window, you will see that this is Centerline point group has been created. So right click on this and let me just show you this one, Centerline. Go to its properties. Okay, yeah, what we have forget that we don't include the Centerline points. So go to the include tab, include, click on the with raw description. As the points have different description, so we only want center line, so type CL center line asterisk. So asterisk, why we put asterisk, that everything will be like if a name is different names, so everything comes after the CL, then like center line number 1, number 2, number 3, then every center line will be contained in this point. So if you want to see, go to the summary points list. You see this is a raw description, every center line will be here. So that's why we put center line asterisk. Click apply. Okay, so now we have these center line points. You see, we can see it in the preview. So what you are going to do, click, you can select these points. You see these are points are highlighted, center line points are highlighted. Now what we are going to do, we are going to separate these points from the rest of the points. Click, right click, we can select them, type isolate. You see isolate, isolate. Yeah, so you can see this is our only the center line points. You see it, center line, center line. So these are all the center line points you can see anywhere. So this we are going to work with these points. So now unisolate, as we don't want the other points. You see the different points, how we can going to hide them for, because we will only going to work with the center line. So for this we can change the style as we see earlier. So click on right click on the all points properties. You can see point style, no display, and then point label, none. Click OK. You see it is now only we have the center line points here. What we can see is only, so now you have seen how we work with the points and point groups. When you import the points, every point comes on the Civil 3D, but you have to make point groups for what you need. For example, if you need to show some other points, you don't want to see center line, you want to see the edge of the right of way. What you can do is create the point group and enter the raw description of the points, and that's it. You will be able to have those points. I hope this will give you some information, and I am going to save this file so that we can in the next video we can start creating the surface and everything. Let me create a new folder. Just going to save this. Oops. Already saved this. Okay, I hope this is good for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.